Quit. Quit now. I'm going to put that on the air. Quit. On the air? Well, then you go put it on the air with me on there.